With the AudioKey 2 app, you can control your RONDO 3 settings, check on your child's hearing, view detailed stats, and even locate your lost audio processor, all from your phone. But first, you need to pair it. Let's see how you do it.
If you are using AudioKey 2 with RONDO 3 for the first time, make sure that you have Bluetooth enabled on your phone. Restart your RONDO 3 and position it close by. Open the AudioKey 2 app. The pairing screen should automatically appear. Then select the Direct Connection option and tap Next. If the pairing screen does not appear automatically, navigate to your profile and under Audio Processor, tap Pair Now. Turn RONDO 3 off and then on again. Then select the Direct Connection option and tap Next. AudioKey 2 will automatically pair with your device. Once your audio processor is paired, tap Next. Assign a user to the audio processor. If it is your audio processor, select your account and tap Next. If the audio processor belongs to your child or someone you look after, then select the corresponding user from the list. Tap Create New User, then Next. Enter their name and tap Create. Your audio processor is now paired with AudioKey 2.
Now your audio processor is paired with AudioKey 2. For more details about what you can do with AudioKey 2, visit go.meta.com/AudioKey 2.